I'm just so excited about it before we start crying.
Because she is recently widowed, and I just wanted the house to really uplift her and relax her and be just a place where she just felt happy.
The scary part in the beginning was watching the tear out, and that upset me a lot. The kids told me I couldn't go back.
Hey y'all, it's Cody here. My mom is about to embark on a home renovation with the help of me and Jessica.
All the memories in that house. Papa always loved everything the way it was. You know, he didn't want change, and I've been wanting to change it for a long time.
One of the challenges is you've accumulated so much stuff over the years. How do you make it look coherent? To me, that's a big challenge.
Now it's just all excitement and anticipation of seeing everything. And I picked everything out. And, you know, it's now I want to see it all together.
An electrician fall through the ceiling.
Oh, and the mirror broke in the bathroom.
And the countertop, I had to jack up the countertop.
Luckily, the electrician was there that day, and
Yeah.
he could move the plug up so that it would push all the way back.
Yeah, the range didn't fit, and I literally had to do surgery on the cabinet.
And then today is the big reveal day, and it's raining, and
Torrential floods, actually.
we're gonna get flood watch.
You hear the thunder rolls. 1 step forward, 2 steps back. All right, Mom. Here we go. Welcome home.
But first, let's remember how it was before.
Now, my mom's house was built in the 80s, so you're going to see a lot of signs of that. The 8-foot high ceilings make it feel very cramped. A lot of wood tones, mixed wood furniture. It looks all very orange. Oh, and fun game, count how many pieces of animal decor that you have in this space. That TV is way too huge for being above that mantle. Kind of just swamps everything. You know, Mom was just complaining how dark and it feels. The orange brick doesn't help add to the orange aesthetic. It's all very cluttered. It's just a lot going on here in this room, and it makes the room smaller. Also big in the 80s was wall-to-wall mirrors, and we were just trying to decide whether to keep them and get rid of them. So you'll get to see here soon.
Here's Cody, age 3, also looking very orange. And here in the kitchen, things are very cramped as well. We've got the ceilings, 8-foot ceilings with the fluorescent lighting and the ceiling fan. And these cabinets coming down from the ceiling make Cindy feel sort of closed off and segregated from the rest of the house. Also, the distance between this refrigerator and the island is less than 24 inches. You could barely open the doors, let alone pass somebody. So it's really meant for just one person to be in this kitchen at a time, and that's never the case at Cindy's house. Also, this is her only pantry that she had, that tiny little thing, and she loves to entertain, so that just isn't going to work. This dining room isn't bad, but that tall table is actually making the 8-foot ceilings feel lower.
And in the bedroom here, you actually have to pass through this bedroom to get to the back bedroom, which is really weird considering this is the primary bath. And then in this bath, you can see it's very dark, and then above the bathtub, you'll see that there's a mirror, which who wants to look at themselves naked? All right, Mom, here we go. Welcome home.
Do you love it?
Yeah. It's bright, isn't it?
It looks so beautiful.
Look at your new fireplace.
Oh, it's gorgeous. Oh, I love it. And oh, my mantle.
The mantle, yes!
You have a real mantle
I
now?
love it.
Yes. So you've always wanted a mantle.
Yes.
And even though it was like too close to the fireplace, we found a way around that, and we found a concrete mantle that looks exactly like wood. You would never know it's not wood.
It just, oh, the stone looks fabulous.
Yeah, and remember it was orange brick,
Right.
and so
It
much,
was so dark.
so much orange, and now it's light
I love
and
the
airy.
floor.
Yeah, I think this was money well spent, like
Yes.
upgrading this fireplace.
Well-
we originally were just going to whitewash it and kind of,
You know, and I had my heart. Once I saw
Right.
that stone, I thought, oh my God, I gotta have that.
Yes.
in your new kitchen, you have a real kitchen finally.
Oh my God, it's beautiful. It's so much. I love this.
Yes,
Oh
that's
my
all Jessica's
God.
idea.
Oh,
You have a double oven with a touch screen.
oh I love.
Yeah, it's awesome.
I mean, too fancy for me.
You have a wine rack and a beverage fridge.
Wonderful.
You have a new gas range,
Yes. Oh, I
cooktop.
love that. It came together so good.
Uh-huh.
Oh my word.
Your
Oh.
drawer microwave here.
Oh,
Yep,
it's so good.
And then yes, here's your coffee station.
Oh yes.
Just add a little pizzazz back there.
Yes, I love it.
All right, check out the new pantry.
Yes. Oh, I love it. This is just amazing. Amazing.
You have more room, know what to do with now.
Oh my gosh, I can feel it really quick.
What do you think of your sink?
So this is like a little drying rack,
Oh, I love that.
and then there's a little colander.
Look underneath here. Oh, it comes with all kinds
all
of goodies.
kinds of stuff. But
Oh,
like
cool.
a colander tray and a
Yes.
cutting board, all
I
that.
love this. Oh, it looks so good. You know, it's hard to envision when you're looking at a huge slab.
Yeah. And this island is 11 feet long by 4 feet wide.
It is a monster island.
I love it.
You have
I love it. It's my dream kitchen. I finally got it.
you finally got it. You have a trash pull-out here.
Oh, yes.
All soft closed doors.
Oh, how wonderful.
And when you're entertaining, you can just flow right out to the patio.
Oh, God, that looks so good.
And the patio is still plenty huge. I mean,
Yes, it is.
it was a monster patio before.
So we're standing in what used to be part of the patio.
Yeah.
Yeah, and it's like it didn't even
Oh,
like make a dent in it, you know.
Oh, and the furniture
Did you
looks
see the living room? I don't even know if
It
you
looks huge.
saw the living room.
looks huge now.
Look at the mirrors. Did you see the mirrors?
Oh my God. Yes, it just totally changed it.
Uh-huh. But you know, you still keep the mirror and the light reflection in here and
Oh yeah.
everything. But I mean, look how much like you have, you know, Jessica was able to like stage a little sitting area over there.
Yeah. Oh my God. And this, I love having this doors on here. Yeah. This
And
turned
then
out so good.
you finish this. Like Jessica found this mirror that fits perfectly, like a little serving tray type thingy in here.
Oh man.
Should we go into this bedroom?
Yeah, let's go in here.
Oh, this looks so good.
Is the light on?
Yes. It looks just like I thought it would. And that turned out amazing.
Yeah.
It makes
That
the room
makes
even
it
look
look-
bigger.
I feel this room feels so much bigger.
The furniture makes a difference.
Yeah, it does. Oh, and I want to see this bathroom.
Yep, come on in.
Oh my gosh. It used to be a bathtub, but now this looks fabulous. Oh my God.
Here's a shower.
Oh, it just brightens everything up.
Yes.
Everything is so much brighter.
The new counters and painting the cabinets and the new
Oh.
brighter, whiter tile.
And these look
new faucets.
fabulous.
Yes.
Oh, I love it.
Okay, so we reconfigured this, right?
Gosh.
Yeah, we reconfigured this. Let's go in here first. We'll treat you to your primary suite in a second.
Oh, I love
So-
the shades.
I love those shades.
Oh,
Those
they
shades are
look
beautiful.
beautiful.
So we
Oh, I like that.
Yeah. It goes perfectly in
Where
here.
did you find
I'll
that?
tell you later.
Oh, I love it.
and we have a nice
Oh, I
barn
love
door
the doors.
for your closet.
So we reconfigured this hallway here
Oh, yeah.
to give you access directly to the primary bedroom because you used to have to go through this bedroom
Right.
to get to that bedroom.
Bedroom, yeah.
Right.
So we changed things around,
Totally built the wall and
added the closet
Closet. So this is the beginning now
Of your
primary suite.
Oh, okay.
So you go on in.
Oh, I love this.
So you have it's basically like a little reading library, a reading nook or stuff, and you can also put, keepsakes and
Pictures,
yeah.
photos,
Oh, yes.
photo albums.
Oh my gosh.
Lots.
all storage.
Yes. You know me, I love storage.
All right, let's go in your
Oh
bathroom.
my word.
This space has no windows, and so adding the brighter tile, the brighter countertops, the white cabinets has really brightened everything
I
up.
love that fixture. They look so good.
I'm so glad you decided to change the fixtures.
Yes.
It really brought it up.
Oh, yes, I love them.
And then your tub.
Oh, and I love the niche.
Oh yeah.
We need to turn on the lights.
There you go.
There you go. They're remote control, so you can.
Oh, it looks so good. Oh, this looks beautiful. Fabulous. Now my master suite. Door to the, oh, I love it. Oh, I love the picture. Yes.
It looks perfect in here.
It
Yeah,
does.
With the bedding,
Oh, it looks fabulous.
And you got the.
the bamboo
Bamboo.
shades.
Oh, I like that.
And these are super easy to raise and lower, no chain to deal with.
Oh, cool.
Yeah, the piece
Oh,
of
those
cake.
look
Easy.
great.
Yeah.
God, it doesn't even look like the same
Can you believe?
room.
And remember, this room was like at 2 inches lower
Lower.
because it used to be a garage. And the light switch, when you walk in the door, was all the way over there.
Right. So now, yeah.
So now you have a
all your
light
switches
switch
here.
as you walk in the door.
And also,
the rug looks so
you see, we replaced that too. So
Oh.
gave it a little
Oh,
update.
yes.
Yeah. So it's like a little mini vanity. You know what I mean?
Oh, I love it.
Yep.
I like those.
Oh, the pool. Yeah.
Yes.
All new hardware.
Oh, that looks, I am so excited. It doesn't even look like the same house.
I know.
I
It
know.
looks like a brand new house.
And the rug, oh, it looks great in here.
Yep. Okay, everybody's waiting in the living room, I think,
Yeah. Everybody's
Okay.
to
give you hugs.
give you hugs.
Yes.
Her reaction was exactly what we were hoping for. Just overwhelmed with joy. She finally gets the place that she's always wanted.
She was overwhelmed, but also very pleasantly surprised. And I think she's going to make so many new, wonderful memories here.
I can't even express how thankful I am for him talking me into doing this.
Many wonderful years in her new home.
Yes.
Your new old home.
My new old home.
There you go. There we go.
There we go.
I know.